You ever opened a product's documentation and feel like you need another manual just to understand it? Now, imagine if your docs could write themselves, clean, structured, and on point using AI that understands the product just as well as you do. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Document 360, and I'm going to show you how that is possible in today's video. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, if you come to this screen right here, as you can see right here, document360.com and /AI. So I'm going to show you everything that the AI assistant can do for you and how powerful this AI assistant of Document 360 actually is. So as you can see, its name is Eddie, which is pretty cool. So you will meet Eddie in this video and you will see how much easier it makes your work life and also how much more time you will save with Eddie. So if you scroll down here, the intelligence meets information, and right here, the AI writing agent, you can feed it raw notes, bullet points, or feature outlines, and it will turn that into structured documents within minutes. Okay, guys, and another thing is all of the documents that your AI writing agent Eddie will complete, it will do so with consistent formatting, summaries, and even sections in your document. So it will make it easy to understand, and the reader of the document will be able to visually see the different sections and the consistent formatting. So if another coworker does it and puts it into the AI, it will give you consistent formatting through your whole team and keep your documentation the same. Okay, guys, so Eddie has a lot of features. You can transform video recordings into readable content, which will save you all of that time from going through the video yourself and then typing out all of your questions and summaries. You can also repurpose text and audio files into structured articles, which is just great. And then last but not least, you can type a prompt to Eddie and it will build the content for you. So that is something that is very, very useful, and it will save you time and it will boost your productivity. So you can basically ask Eddie anything. It's for readers and for writers as well. So whether you are the person that's going to be reading this document or the person that is going to be writing it and sending it out. So as you can see right here, it's time saving and it is a huge productivity boost to you and your team if you use Document 360. So your AI writing agent, Eddie, will understand technical context, so it refines sentences, suggests better phrasing, and makes the documents clear so your readers can understand. It gives clarity to those documents so all of the readers will understand it. Okay, guys, you can also convert API setup steps into an easy to follow article so your readers can understand it very easily. And here's the last thing. If you scroll down here, this is how the process basically works. So you ask Eddie, your AI chatbot, it will do all of its work for you. You manage, you automate, and then you write. And it is ready to publish from start to finish, literally within minutes of starting your whole process. So that is why it's so time consuming and really a massive productivity boost. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm now logged into Document 360. This is the home page or the dashboard. As you can see, I'm logged in. And now I'm going to show you how to make use of the AI writing agent. So as you can see right there, the AI writing agent's name is Eddie. So I'm going to show you how to make use of him today right here in Document 360. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to be going to this icon right here, the documentation. And I'm going to show you how you can feed it bullet points, raw notes, and feature outlines. So this is just a test article that I started so I can show you how to feed it raw notes, bullet points, and feature outlines all in this one feature. Okay, guys, so what you are going to be doing is you are going to go to this more and then you can use Eddie, the AI writer. So the AI will instantly generate well-structured documentation, complete with sections, summaries, and constant formatting. So I'm going to go here to this article that is already set up. As you can see, it will have summaries, constant formatting, and sections all laid out perfectly for you already. Okay, guys, so the writing assistant will understand technical context. So what it will basically do, it will redefine sentences, it will suggest better phrasing, and add clarity for all of the readers. So I'm going to give you a real-time example like changing in API setup steps into a professional article. So what you are going to be doing is you are going to be going here to more, and then I'm going to use the AI writer, and I'm going to say change the whole document into a article. Then I'm going to press enter, and it will literally change in seconds. So now you can see that it changed it within seconds into the style that you wanted. So I wanted an easy to follow guideline, and it just created this within seconds. And this is exactly the style I want it in. So that is why Document 360 is so amazing. So now that we have edited this, as you can see it as a draft, we can now click on the preview button, and you can see we can preview it literally within minutes. And if we go back, we have the option to publish it or publish later. So that is how powerful the AI writer actually is. You can literally make a document and turn it into an article format and publish it within minutes of starting the process. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we are in the home dashboard right now, and Document 360 is a modern documentation platform built for software teams, developers, and product managers. So it combines AI writing, version control, collaborative editing, and publishing tools all in one clean workspace. Guys, you can also manage internal documents, user guides, and API references, all in this one single dashboard on Document 360. And Document 360 is designed for teams that want to save time while keeping quality and consistency across every doc. Guys, the problem with traditional documents are that they are without automation, and it is inconsistent and slow to create new documents. So updates often get missed because teams are too focused on product development and not actually writing. Writers will spend hours formatting and rewriting content across versions. The result, the documents are long, confusing, and they are quickly outdated. And poor documentation doesn't just hurt the users, it also frustrates the teams that actually need accurate internal knowledge. Okay, guys, so before we end the video and we get to some of the final details, I want to show you how their actual website looks without logging in. So as you can see right here, document360.com. So please make sure that you visit the right website, document360.com. So with the AI writing agent, teams can now produce content that is accurate, consistent, and always up to date. The good thing is that the turnaround time drops dramatically. Something that used to take hours can now be done in literal minutes. The AI will also ensure that the structure and tone will stay uniform across all of the documentation, no matter who writes it. Okay, guys, so another good thing is that reviewers and editors can now focus on content accuracy instead of grammar and formatting. Another good thing is that it is also scalable, so the faster your product grows, the quicker your documentation will keep up. If documentation still takes hours to write and even longer to maintain, it's time to bring in AI. Try Document 360's AI writing agent to see how effortless great documentation can actually be. That will be a wrap for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time, cheers.